Welcome to Chamberlain University's Phoenix campus, home to our Master of Physician Assistant Studies (MPAS) program and a hub for hands-on learning in the heart of the Southwest. Here, innovation meets purpose. Our Phoenix campus was built for future PAs and is equipped with advanced training tools and dynamic spaces that support student learning. From tech-enabled classrooms and H&P exam rooms to collaborative labs and procedural task trainers with ultrasound, you'll find everything you need to grow your clinical confidence. Just minutes from the I-17 and Loop 101, the campus provides no-cost and covered parking for your convenience. When you step outside, Phoenix welcomes you with endless sunshine, a rich cultural scene, and natural desert beauty. At Chamberlain, you're not just earning a degree, you're joining a supportive community in one of the most energizing cities in the country. Lobby. Begin your Chamberlain journey in the welcoming atmosphere of our admission lobby. Here you'll meet our passionate student ambassadors who are eager to share their insider tips and favorite campus spots on your personalized tour. The Commons. At the heart of campus life, the Commons is where connection and collaboration happen. With flexible seating, bright natural light, and plenty of space to spread out, it's perfect for study groups, one-on-one meetings, or simply recharging between classes. Whether you're brainstorming with classmates or catching your breath with a coffee, the Commons is your go-to gathering space. SIMCARE Center. Get hands-on training in the SIMCARE Center trademark. Practice delivering babies, managing emergencies, and other healthcare simulations. PA students have the opportunity to actively practice patient interactions, assessments, and interventions with advanced interactive simulation models in a safe, controlled environment. Lecture classroom. Join expert faculty for engaging lectures that build the foundation for your physician assistant studies. Flex classroom. Work in small teams to tackle simulated medical procedures and problem-based learning. It's all hands-on and interactive here. Practice procedural skills such as suturing, ultrasound imaging, joint injections, lumbar puncture, and chest tube and central line insertions. Exam room. Hone your skills in realistic exam rooms. Practice physical exams and patient interviews in a primary care setting. These dedicated areas provide opportunities for learning and practicing taking a patient's medical history and conducting physical exams, honing communication skills, and performing objective structured clinical exams, OSCES. Control room for PA exam rooms. Faculty observe and record student sessions as they practice skills in the PA exam rooms. This room is also used to proctor physical exam practicals, OSCEs, and other exams. Student study room. Need a quiet place to focus or space to work through cases with your cohort? Our student study rooms offer the best of both worlds. Designed for solo or small group study, these rooms give you a peaceful, distraction-free zone to dive deep into your coursework. Break room. Take a well-deserved pause in our cozy break room. Settle into a comfy chair, grab a snack, and enjoy a moment to recharge before your next class or clinical prep session. Task trainer. Housed in our flex classrooms, these specialized simulators or models are used to teach and practice specific skills, such as medical procedures. Sectra Table. The Sectra Table is a large interactive touchscreen with 3D images of real human bodies. PA students can examine the images in detail, including all of the organ systems, and even dissect the body with a virtual knife. Truly a dry cadaver lab at your fingertips. Wellness room. Created for students, the Wellness Room is a serene retreat for moments of quiet reflection, meditation, or simply a peaceful break from the academic hustle.